So my first Saas, it didn't blow up. No viral launch, no MMR, no waitlist hype, nothing. But it taught me something. It taught me something that nobody really talks about. Real validation, real distribution, and why building is the easy part. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh, and I am a delusional dev trying to build his way out of unemployment. Welcome to my journey. So I just wanted to give an update on my last project that I mentioned. It's called Inquire Lead, and basically it's a lead generation tool for web developers, Webflow developers, designers, WordPress designers, and UI UX graphic designers. And that's where it's kind of being marketed at right now. So I took the standard indie dev advice and to basically not reinvent the wheel and just make an existing product better, because then it's validated, so you already know you have your validation done, and bringing home that sweet MMR. I assume that if my competitors look profitable, then there's got to be some market left over for me, right? Even if they're getting 1,000 MMR, I'll take 500. Yeah, I'll be happy with that. But sadly, that was not true. No. The competitor's product that I modeled after barely worked at all. I couldn't even believe that he was saying he was making at least 1k MMR. I was like, how could this be? I feel like they're all just suckers for his Reddit posts. Like me, I paid for his app and I tried it and it didn't work, and then I stopped paying. So that's, I guess, how he got his 1k MMR. Not because it was a useful product, but because he was able to trick people on Reddit or Twitter. He was posting there a lot. So anyways, I decided to make my own version, make it better, make it actually work, make it solve a problem, you know? And then eventually I did a soft launch on social media, just Twitter and on LinkedIn. I ran ads on both platforms just for fun, just to see if it would help. And I posted in public throughout my whole journey on Twitter, and that didn't really do anything. I think I got a couple signups, but no one wanted beta testing. They just signed up on the free trial for some reason, even though I was offering free beta for 1 month for pro. I don't know what happened there. Yeah, that was it. Crickets. So definitely don't waste your money on LinkedIn ads and on Twitter ads. So that's when it hit me, you know? I didn't fail at shipping. I failed at distribution, marketing, of course. So just some lessons that I learned for myself is that I built faster than I validated, you know? I should have found my audience. I should have found the people that needed this and asked them what's up. Don't assume because there's an existing product that there's going to be, you know, existing people that want to sign up for your product, especially if they're already happy with another product. Also, I probably spent way too much on the UI and UX and just making it super cool looking and unique, which I think has diminishing returns over time. I think with all these vibe coded websites, every time I see one, it's kind of a turn off. So it's nice to actually try to make your UI look nice and different and not rely on the default colors and themes that AI gives you a lot. I'm looking at you, purple and pink gradient. Even though my pro icon does have that. I don't know, it's just a nice color scheme, I guess. And AI knows that. Also, I underestimated how long and how much work SEO is and just distribution and outreach. But if you don't pace yourself and you burn out, then you're not gonna have any energy left for the actual important part, which is the marketing part. I basically launched like it's 2018 pre-LLM era, and not like how it is now, 2025, when everyone and their mom can just code up an app, you know, in Lovable or whatever. No, you know, you need more than that. You need marketing, distribution, everything. You need the plan, you need SEO. You gotta do it all now. You can't be different by making an app. Anyone could do that. Is it a good app? That's a different question. Does it matter? I mean, I guess I got swindled into the other guy's app. So I guess it doesn't matter, depending on your moral values. So for my plan right now, basically, I'm kind of just burnt out at this point, but I wanted to just, you know, what they call dog food my own app and use my own app to find these people. Maybe they will argue that they can just search themselves, which they can, but I try to make it nice. I try to make the app so you can search, you can do auto searches for keywords, and it just aggregates it into a nice spreadsheet, and it tells you based on using some AI based on like how relevant each lead is. So I was just hoping that I can fix some sort of pain point, and maybe I can find at least 20 people to try it out, and then maybe build off their feedback and go from there, and maybe it'll scale better. I don't know. So yeah, all in all, 0 MMR. I did go from 14 or 13 followers to about 30, so yay. But hey, I'm continuing to build in public. I'll keep doing it. Just keep filming, keep coding, keep shipping, and hoping that this turns into something. At the very least, I still have the code, I still have the experience, I still have the project to showcase. If somebody does want to hire me, I'm here, and I know it. I learned it. It's better than making another to-do list, and who knows, maybe it will eventually gain traction. A lot of the marketing is a long game anyways. So I'm happy, I'm proud, I'm happy with it. You guys can check it out. It's inquirelead.com. But in the meantime, I'm kind of taking a break. I just feel so burnt out from the project. So I'm actually going to try a new project. I'm going to try to make my own indie dev game. So I have an idea. It's a Sorry simulator, Filipino thing. I don't know if any of you are Filipino, but it's a Sorry store simulator, and it's like cozy vibes. Yeah, 2D pixel art. So I'm hoping that it's fun. I'm hoping that it does well. I mean, even if it makes one sale, that's better than Inquire Lead. I'm hoping that I can ship it too, like relatively fast. I'm trying to keep it well scoped and make one sale. That's already better than Inquire Lead. And I think most games are harder to vibe code. If you vibe code a game, I feel like it's pretty obvious considering how many parts that are part of a game. Anyways, that's a tangent. But what I'm trying to say is that I'm going to try something new. I'm going to make a game, I'm going to release it on Steam, and we're going to try that indie game dev route. So I'll keep you updated on Inquire Lead. I'll keep you updated on my game dev journey to see if anything comes up. I just want to give you guys the real raw deal. I think we are flooded with social media showing those MMR 1K 10K MMR success stories. It's hard to not feel like, why am I not there? Why does it feel so easy for them? And I don't think that's true. I think just these quiet failed launches, if you want to call it that, they just don't say anything. So we gotta normalize it. You gotta just be out there supporting each other and show that it's a reality. It's hard.
That's what she said.
It takes time. Don't get down on yourself. You could do it. I can do it. Everyone can do it. Just don't give up. Yeah, so I hope that this video inspires you somehow, some way, to make your own thing. Just have fun, keep learning, keep grinding, keep shipping, and you'll get there. Just thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more and just keep up with these updates, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.